Buenos dias! It is a pleasure to welcome you to Pennsylvania's second statewide Latino Health Summit.
Events like this, the second annual statewide Latino Health Summit, is bringing together people who are at the forefront of discussing issues around how can we provide best care for our Latino community.
Supporting Latino minority health is so important because it is a huge part of us here in York County.
You know, the demographics are changing within the Latino and minorities in the community, and we want to make sure that we are here to service that community.
The Latino population is 17% of the total population of the United States at this point, and we are in many ways going to be the transformer factor on healthcare for the next 10 years.
The Latino population is one of the fastest growing groups in the state of Pennsylvania. This is a good way for us to connect with our partners here in the Pennsylvania area and to learn more about the needs of the Latino community.
I really think it's important to make sure that we do things like this health summit so our Latino community is informed and educated on exactly what it is that they need to do and how to get those resources.
I find the connection between healthcare and finding community resources so important. It's a barrier that really needs to be overcome, and if there's a way for us to come together as a community, as an organization, through private-public partnerships, then there's a real opportunity for us to address those obstacles and to be able to do something important for the community.
If we are not able to have successful communities, how will we have healthy employees? How will our mom and dads and kids be healthy? It is extremely important to identify what are those barriers. Barriers such as language barriers, community barriers, that all of us together as a social responsibility need to come together to overcome.
My favorite part of the summit has been seeing all of the vendors, all of the interactive workshops that they've had, and all the guests that have come in and spoke to us.
I think that it is incredible what they're doing here in Pennsylvania. I couldn't be prouder of the work they're doing. I think it's not only incredibly informative and teaching people how to eat right and live a healthy lifestyle, but I think what we're going to essentially be doing here is saving lives.
My story is just one example of how an immigrant, when given the right opportunities to achieve a goal and working diligently towards that end, can affect change in the lives of others. It is our duty to help Hispanic Americans make a better life for themselves, and in the process, make a better contribution, a positive contribution to their communities. Let's all put that wisdom, that experience, intelligence, and plain common sense to use for the betterment of our Latino community.
I believe that it is time to talk about the uncomfortable topics that are going to help our community progress towards a better tomorrow.